Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. But before we get into this video, we got some special guests here. Special guests, come here. We have Noah. Why are you making that face? And Jonah. So as you see, Noah was already showing you guys. They are going to do my makeup. So they decided to do half my face. I already put my brows on and some lashes. But they're going to do half my eyes. And we are going to vote who does the better eye. You guys excited? So let's show them the palettes we're using, guys. So Jonah's going to be using the BH Day and Night. So if you don't know, I am a huge BH Cosmetics fan, you guys. And I have been using their products for probably over 7 years now. Time the Infamous turned me on to BH Cosmetics, and I've been obsessed ever since. So I got some OG favorites right here. We got the BH Day and Night, which looks like this. I don't even know if they have palettes like this anymore.
Well, mine is cool.
Yours is cool? Okay, you want to hold yours, Jonah?
Yeah.
And then let's see Noah's. Noah's got the OG original Take Me to Brazil palette, guys. And it's got those bright, vibrant colors. So Noah,
yeah, these
Jonah,
are
you guys ready to start?
Yeah!
Oh, what do you guys got to tell them? You got to make sure they what?
Let's get subscribe.
Subscribe and thumbs up and share.
Smash the bell.
Oh, smash that bell. Smash that bell right now, you guys.
Smash that bell.
Let's get into this video. For notifications. Let's go. You love the dark? Oh, okay. What do you think, Jonah?
No, how you did it like that?
Oh, you love it like this, Jonah? You think it looks good?
Yeah.
You want to teach Jonah how to do the dark? Noah was going for a natural look at first, but he just had to spruce things up a little bit and do that boom shakalaka, huh, Noah? Oh, so Jonah's learning how to do the dark.
I have some dark.
You got some dark?
Yeah.
Yep. That's it right there. I was having a good eyebrow day too, but I mean, baby, what do you think? Like Halloween? Like this gives you Halloween vibes, or what? Good Halloween vibes. Okay. This Dev gives me Halloween, muddy, scary, skeleton, crazy, crackhead vibes. All right. They also are doing swatches on my hands. I mean, they're the legit pro. makeup too. You trying to do my makeup too? How you got makeup all over? lipsticks that you guys pick. You want to show them, Noah and Jonah?
I got the red one for your lips, and you look like a girl.
So Jonah got Birds and Bees, and then what did you get?
I don't want to get this one.
You want to get a different one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That
They're
is
literally
a gold
gonna knock
one.
my
Gold
camera down. They're
one.
like
Gold one.
so excited, and then Bella's down here. So if you see the camera shaking, that's definitely why. Ooh, okay, so Noah got this I Love Sarah E times ColourPop Ultra Matte in Dulcet. Okay. And Jonah's is in Tidal Taupe. Okay, so Jonah, you do your side of the lip, so you get half.
Okay.
They definitely like
Come on.
hiding any imperfections. Except for this right here. No, I think you highlighted so much. Okay, so Jonah, and then Noah, you want to do yours?
Hey, stop using mine.
Let Noah do his side. I look like I just got like coal or something wiped all over my
Stop doing
face.
my side. Oh, I should have picked the red one.
You should have picked the red one?
Yeah, I need to pick a different one because mine is not that light.
Okay, go get a different one.
Mine is not that light.
Okay,
I
so
picked this donut one.
oh, the donut one. So Jonah's gonna actually switch it all. Oh my gosh, Jonah, you're gonna knock my camera down. Jonah switched it to half caked and power trip.
Noah,
Here,
you're doing
okay.
my side.
Back up, back
Oh
up.
no,
Bring
my
it in, bring it in.
lipstick dropped.
Bring it
Hey,
in.
Mom, my lipstick.
Did you just fart in this video?
Yes.
What do you say? Oh, he's getting real comfortable. Okay. So, do I just need to dab a little bit?
Hey, stop using my side. Phil.
Help me, please. Somebody help.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video.
And do a thumbs up. Don't forget.
Don't forget.
Thumbs down.
Don't do a thumbs down. Do a thumbs up, right?
Yes.
Tell us what
thumbs
you
up.
think. Which
Good.
side was better? I feel like they look almost exactly the same. So you guys might be tied because they look so similar. So say thumbs up.
So, and don't forget to smash the bell. For
Smash the bell
notification
for
and
notifications.
For Noah or Jonah.
Noah
this is me, Noah.
This is Noah.
This is Jonah.
This is Jonah.
I love my side.
You love your side?
Yeah.
So we are going to end this video out, you know, looking snatched and slayed or whatever. But yeah, we're going to end this out, guys. I'm about to take this makeup eraser and wipe all of this off. I needed the black one because this has got to go. My boys did their thing though, right? Looks like my lips are bleeding and I just rubbed myself with charcoal and coal and all types of stuff. I mean, what's going on? This looks like a masterpiece, a little artwork or something, but we are going to wipe this off, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like Noah said, smash the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload these daily videos for you guys. Share it to someone that needs a good laugh, you guys, because I mean I have these lily lashes on. I hope they didn't ruin my lashes or anything. They literally got stuff on my teeth. I mean, it got pretty crazy and hectic, like you guys saw. It was crazy. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.